Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You will stop Docker now and confirm what's running. First, quit Docker Desktop from the menu so the daemon stops. This prevents files from changing while you work. Once done, open Terminal and run Docker ps to list containers and Docker system df to see space usage. This tells you what to clear. Make sure to copy any essential volumes or config files to a backup folder. You don't want to lose production data accidentally. Now you'll remove containers, images, and volumes step by step. Start by forcing container removal with docker rm $, docker ps ac, so no stopped container remains. This frees references. Then run docker image prune to drop unused images, and docker builder prune to clear build cache. These reclaim most disk space. Finally, remove volumes with docker volume prune or remove specific volumes by name. Finish by clearing Docker Desktop data and validating the cleanup. If you prefer GUI, use Docker Desktop's troubleshoot menu and choose Reset to Factory Defaults. Otherwise, delete Docker's support files in ~libraries/containers/com. Docker, and related ~library directories. Then run Docker system prune volumes to ensure no leftover objects remain. Restart Docker Desktop, check disk usage, and recreate only the images and containers you need. If something fails, check Docker logs and permissions, then restore from your backup if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.